Do you know you can run ChatGPT on the Kali Linux? But how can you do it? Okay, so what you do, you just go to your browser, of the Kali Linux browser. Then, okay, you just open your Kali Linux browser. Then you type TGPT, GitHub. This one is going to help you to be able to install the ChatGPT onto the Kali Linux browser. So after that, you run. Okay, after it would install this one, what you do, you just click on the first link. Okay, it's quite running. So this is the link of the ChatGPT that you are running. So in this case, what you do, you just press here code, then you run the HTTP. You copy the HTTPS of under this code here. So what you do, you copy this URL. So you just copy this one, then you go to your terminal. Okay, you go back to your terminal. You run git clone. You clone the HTTPS here. So what you do, you run the command git clone, then the URL you have copied from the other side. So then you run. In my case, I've already run. So the cloned information of the TGPT is on my desktop. So there's no need of running it again. But for you, just run the command like this, and it will be there. So after that, what you do, you just write it. Okay. After running that, you just check it's on your desktop. Then what you do, you just run cd tgpt. Okay, tgpt. Run the directory like that. Then ls to see what is in the tgpt. So what is tgpt? Tgpt is a terminal GPT. That's what I can say. So after running that, you see there is somewhere here, you write install. So what you do, you just write, you just run the command sudo dot install. This one here, this one will enable you to be able to install the Kali Linux onto the the terminal GPT to the Kali Linux. For me, in my case, I've already installed, so that's why it's even direct. After that, I was just showing you what to do there. After you have just run like that, you run the help command. So what you do, you just write tgpt tag help to see the full detailed outcomes of the command, the help command, on how to use the tool, the TGPT. Sorry, human is to error is to human. So you can see this is how you can do, how you can use the TGPT command. So for example, here we have the flags here, the TGPT flags prompt, tag S shell to generate and execute command, code, quiet gives the response back without loading, animation gives like that. So you just make use of your help command when running an application or a tool in Kali Linux. So let's clear this. So for example, let's run terminal GPT, close the quotation marks. So let's maybe ask, what is Linux? You can see it tells you exactly what you want to know, what you need to know about Kali Linux. It's just the way the ChatGPT is working on a normal ChatGPT website. Okay, what about, okay, what you do, what about, let's ask TGPT, close quotations, what is a cow? What is a hen? Cow or a hen, any can do. Just asking anything, you see whether it can answer us. It's still loading. You see, it is explaining how what for us what is a cow is. Okay, that's how it's just a normal ChatGPT, but it's on the terminal, on the Kali Linux terminal. So, okay, let's use the image. We use the image. We run the TGPT image. We see whether it can give us an image of something. Maybe let's run maybe TGPT tag image, close quotation. Maybe let's say a cat sleeping on a mat. Close the quotation. Okay, it's generating the image with pollination AI. So it is going to generate the image of how exactly the cat is sleeping on that. So in this case, the image is in .jpg. So what you do with that one, for you to be able to view the image of that, of the cat sleeping on a mat, you just run the xdg.open command. This one will enable you to be able to see the image on the directory, the default browser of your Kali Linux. So that's why you use this command to be able to view the image, because it is under GPG or maybe JPEG. It depends on the final. So what you do, just copy here and then type here, paste. Let's see. Okay, command, did you mean, oh sorry, it is xdg. Okay, it is supposed to be written xdg tag open, not xdg.open. Sometimes you have to be careful because sometimes these things are case sensitive. Let's run that one. You can see we have our image here. The cat, it will give you exactly whatever you want. That's how you run your Kali line. Okay, you can see when the image, some of the image I was trying to check. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it is. Another one is here. Another one is here. A dog putting on a suit. As simple as that. That's how we can use the ChatGPT on the Kali Linux. Thank you.